All right, so this is an e-commerce project that I'm currently working on. All these products are real products: Lifesaver, Easy Blocks, Universal Blocks, Banjo Blocks, Smash Blocks, etc., etc. These are all coming from this Headless WooCommerce backend sitting in the cloud. As I mentioned, Lifesaver, Universal Block, Banjo Block. See, all these real products with real prices, right? So based on this, I decided to create an e-com chat for ourselves, which is basically an e-commerce based React agent using LangChain. And that's what we're gonna demonstrate in this video. Let's do it. All right, so let's get started here. First, let's check what NPM and node version I have. All right, it's pretty standard. Here's the screen. Let's get started. Oh, all right, now we can start talking. All right, so our first question is, feel like buying some stuff today. Show me some products. Here we go. Boom, there you go. A nice little list. Lifesaver, Easy Flag Blocks, Universal Blocks. All those are from this list right here from our WooCommerce backend. All right, so now next question is, are they in stock? There you go. They're all in stock. Nice. Show me some more. All right, so there's a second page of products: Banjo Blocks, Bucket Blocks, etc., etc. Next question. Wow, they all look so good. Do you have any more? Oh, there's a third page of products, and this time it's saying that's all the products available at the moment, blah, 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 right? So now I'm going to ask, hey, how many total products do you have? Boom, they have 15 products. Very nice. So now I'm going to ask, nice, can you give me a list of all the products with only showing the name and price? There you go, all 15 products with name and price only. So now I'm going to say, beautiful. Can you give me a sorted list with the most expensive on top? All right, look at that. Nice little sorted list. Highest on the top, smallest at the bottom. So now we're going to say, okay, let's reverse this, can we? Beautiful, reverse list. Now we're going to go ahead and push it up a notch. Can you give me a list where the price is below 200 but above 100? And boom, that's our list right there. Now we say, can you give me the details of only Lifesaver, which is one of our products? There you go, full detail of our Lifesaver product. Price, description, everything. Very nice. Now it's a bit harder one. Can you please calculate the average cost of all products here? And there you go, 100.53. And it actually showing how it came across this result step by step, and this is the final answer. Beautiful. So now we're gonna say, thanks. Now I need to buy 2 Lifesavers and 1 Easy Flag Blocks. Can you create an order summary for me? There you go. Nice little order summary with the details and the total and everything, right? Okay, so now I'm gonna tell him, very nice, my friend. Let me go find a credit card to buy this. I'll be right back. It greets me. Sounds great. Take your time, blah, blah, blah. And at this point, I'm going to exit out. Oh, so far, that's what I was able to achieve. But in the near future, I mean, this is just part 1. So part 2 and 3, we're going to push this forward. We're going to be creating actual orders, canceling orders, and then eventually move to Stripe payments, etc. And that's it so far. Now let's go to a diagram to show you what's going on behind the scenes. All right, so this is actually what's going on behind the scenes. I have a module called getProduct.js. What this does is goes ahead and place in a request, a data request to the Headless WooCommerce backend in the cloud, and then collect the data, clean up the data, and hands over the product descriptions to this other module called Summarize Text. This module goes ahead and summarizes every single product description into a neat little text block, and then we write this necessary data into a JSON file. Now let me show you why this is necessary, data cleanup and summarization. Let's go see how extensive the data we collect from WooCommerce backend is. Here you go. We just made a request in the WooCommerce backend for products, and this is the list of all the products. And just watch this. Look at this ID. One product, how long the data is. Just keep going. Keep going. Just one product. Imagine that. Look at this. All that info is given to us. Still going up until here. Now imagine having 100 products like that. So that's the reason we had to grab the data, clean it up, and turn it into a smaller manageable chunk so that our AI can handle it. And look at this description. This is actually one of the small ones. I mean, these are huge, plus these are all in HTML format. So we had to clean the text up and then deliver the text to the summarization block. And that's where we're using GPT4.5 to be exact. And that guy goes ahead and summarizes all these, organizes all our data into smaller chunks, and then this is the final product. Look how nice this is. All we need is ID, product name, description, which is a summary, and then price and the in-stock status. And remember the question I asked? Are they in stock? These are the basis. Look at that. Not all of them are in stock. This product here is on back order, right? So for our demo project, this was all we needed. So after this process data, once the JSON is ready, then we go ahead and launch our eCom React agent. And this React agent is followed by a chat system. It's basically a wrapper around our React agent so that we can communicate as we just did in a chatbot fashion with chat history and memory intact, and so that the communication feels natural. And then once the questions are asked, our eCom agent goes ahead and uses this tool. Even though it's one single tool, show product.js, but this is pretty extensive. This has the ability to go out there and read this JSON file and deliver the data in a paginated format, etc., right? And it's heavily prompt engineered. And it's going to get even better in the later sessions. So using this tool, our React agent was able to answer all our questions via this chat system. So far, that's what we got. And eventually, we're going to bring in more tools like product cancel tool, product creation tool, where we're going to actually post an order in the WooCommerce backend, and we'll be able to cancel or change to other state like processing after payment. And then eventually, probably in the third part, we're going to get Stripe payment involved. And when we do, we're going to go ahead and create another tool which will handle the Stripe payment. We might have another one for credit card number management, etc. They're all coming up. Now, about React Agent, just before this video, I published one and showed how to create these React agents and how simple these are to create. So please check that out to have a better understanding. That said, with this, I conclude this video. Thanks for watching.